Hello and welcome to Kismet Rising. Today we're doing a meditation in which we are able to send someone a message. This may be a love message, it may be a message to someone who's already departed, it may be a message to somebody that you've had an argument with who you're just not able to speak to right now. It may be a friend at a distance or a family member at a distance. Whatever your situation, you may use this meditation to connect with somebody that you love or that you simply want to give a message to that you are unable to reach at this moment. So, before we begin, please make yourself comfortable. You may either sit or lay down and close your eyes. When you are comfortable, take a deep breath. Breathe in through your nostrils and feel the air go deep into your system. Breathe into your gut and breathe out through your mouth. Do this again. Take a deep breath through your nose. Feel it at the lowest point of your body. And breathe out slowly and calmly. Do this one more time. Breathe in through your nose. Breathe deep into the pit of your stomach. And breathe out again with your mouth. Now see yourself either sitting or lying in a lush space. There are green leaves, green grass. The space is luscious and moist, and there's humidity in the air. In this space, you feel held and relaxed. In this space, you feel connected to the earth. Feel your connection to the earth. Experience yourself as having a root that reaches deep into the earth's core. Feel your organism like a magnet drawn to the ground. As you feel one with the earth, connected to the earth's wisdom, reach into yourself for the message that you have. Take this message and place it in a golden envelope with purple edges and seal the envelope. Write the name of the person that you want to send this envelope to on the envelope. When you're done, the helpers will appear. The helpers swoop down like little shimmering cherubs and take a hold of the envelope and fly away. There are 3 or 4 of them with wings, entrusted to deliver your message safely. Your message is now on its way to the person intended. Feel the energy that you want to give to this person. Feel the vibration of the message that you have sent. Reach out and feel the energy of the person you are sending the message to. See the person that you are sending the message to before you. See the cherubs arriving and delivering your letter in its envelope, your message in its envelope, safely into the hands of the person intended. See the recipient of the message thank the cherubs and bid them goodbye. Watch as the recipient of your message opens the envelope. Connect with their heart, using your heart as they read your message, as they accept your message. See them lovingly accept your message. Look up at you and smile at you. Feel the burden lifted from your shoulders, the stone lifted from your heart. Feel lighter, as light as a feather. You have nothing more to worry about. Note that the recipient of your letter or your message acknowledges your message. Take a moment feel the response from the recipient of your message. Feel the gratitude, feel the forgiveness, feel the upset, feel the sadness, feel the love, feel the joy, feel the excitement, feel the connection. Take a moment to savor this special moment. Understand that your message has been delivered and is known to the recipient in its heart, in his heart or her heart. Continue to hear the response to your message from the recipient of your message. Embrace this response with open arms, even if it makes you feel uncomfortable. Speak your truth to the recipient of your message. Bear your truth with your eyes boring into each other's eyes. Your connection binding at this moment to bring clarity and to share wisdom. Take the hands of the recipient of your message. Now thank the recipient of your message for making themselves available to receive your message. Bid them farewell. And return to your position on the ground. Rooting yourself to the earth once again as the recipient of your message makes his way further and further away until you cannot see their being any longer. Feel the healing energy of the earth. Feel the earth hold you in her arms. Feel held. Feel nurtured. Feel at peace. Now take a moment and take a deep breath once again. This time breathing in through your mouth, deep into your core, and out through your nose. Repeat this 2 more times. Give thanks for the process. And open your eyes. Your meditation is complete. You may go about your day with calm and serenity, and may your wish be fulfilled. Blessings abound from Kismet Rising. Thank you.